In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your HubSpot CRM. Upgrading your HubSpot CRM can help you unlock more features and capabilities to better manage your customer relationships and sales pipeline. So let's dive right in and get started with this step-by-step guide. First, you'll need to navigate to the HubSpot website to add an additional deal pipeline to your CRM. Once you're logged in, you'll notice that the process is quite straightforward. You'll see an option that says Upgrade. Go ahead and click on that. At this point, you're on your way to enhancing your CRM's capabilities. Next, you'll encounter an option titled Increase My Limits. This is essential if you're finding that your current usage is reaching its capacity and you need more room to grow. Clicking this button is a quick way to ensure you're getting the most out of your CRM's potential. Once you've done that, you'll find the Buy Now button. This step is where you commit to these enhancements, so make sure everything looks right to you before proceeding. The platform will provide options regarding pricing per seat, which is important to understand. This lets you know the monthly cost per user within your organization. Take a moment to review the various packages and choose the one that best fits your team's needs. When you're comfortable with your selection, click on Continue. This will lead you to the part of the process where you'll finalize the details. It's important to follow the prompts here carefully to ensure that your upgrade goes smoothly and without any hitches. The next step is to click on Save and Continue. This is a crucial part of the process as it confirms the options you've selected and prepares you for the final stages of the upgrade. Make sure to double check everything before you proceed, as this is the point where your selections become final. Now it's time to fill up your company details. This information is important as it ties the upgraded features to your business. Be precise with the information you provide to avoid any potential issues down the line. Following that, you'll need to enter your payment details. This step, of course, is critical. Make sure that your payment information is accurate to ensure a successful transaction and that there are no interruptions in your service. The final step involves reviewing the terms and conditions. It's always a good idea to read through these so that you're fully aware of all the conditions concerning your new plan. Once you've reviewed and agreed to these terms, you can complete your upgrade, and there you have it. Your HubSpot CRM is now upgraded, allowing you to take advantage of the additional features and capabilities. By following these steps, you can effectively manage and grow your business more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and happy upgrading.